Hello everyone, Professor Rohit here. Today we're going to go to the lecture number 3, construction equipments. So the construction equipments are one of the very important resources of the modern constructions, especially in the infrastructure projects. Such projects utilize the equipments for the most of the works, including earth moving operations. Earth moving in the sense for construction, excavations, and construction of the road, compaction. These are called as earth moving operations. Agreed productions, concrete productions, and its placements, and so on. In fact, one cannot think of the major construction activities without the involvement of the construction equipments. Now we moved that far to have the faster construction process and very efficient construction process. There are different type of construction equipments suitable for different activities in the construction projects. The choice of construction equipments defines the what kind of the construction method you are going to apply, which in way leads to the determination of the time and the cost for the project. In this order, to select the right equipment to perform a specific task at least cost, that is minimum cost, it is essential to know that the features of the construction equipments, including like its rate of production and it's associated with the cost to operate the equipments. As we see here, the plant equipments and the tools used in construction operations are priced in the following three characters in the estimate. First is was small tools and consumables like hand tools up to a certain value together with the blades, drill bits, and other consumable used in the projects are priced as a percentage of the total labor price of the estimate. And the second is what equipment usually shared by the number of work activities. These kind of equipments items are kept at the site over a period of time and used in the work in the progress. Like it might be any shovel, this kind of the equipments. Third is equipments used for specific task. These are the capital items and used in projects such as digging trenches, hosting material into the specified slots, and this equipment is priced directly against the take of quantities for the project, like it is used to be on. The equipment is not kept on a site for an extended period like those in the previous two classes, what is seen in small tools and consumables and equipment used to share the number of work activities. But the equipment is shipped to the site used for the particular task only, and then it immediately shipped back to the original locations. Clear? Okay. Now how the classification of construction equipments are done. Here first is we can see the earth equipments. In earth equipments you have the earth cutting and moving equipments like bulldozers, scrappers, front end loader, motor graders. You all see in the equipments, but you have to know by this name nowadays. For your exam point of view, you have to know the each equipments how they looks. Okay, Google the each and every equipment what you see now, so and recognize them with the name. Even I will send in a group like what is the bulldozer looks like, what is scrapper, how the front end loader looks like, how the motor gets, and these equipments you called as earth cutting and moving equipments. Excavation and lifting equipments are backhoe, power shovels, drag lines, and clamshells. And if you go to the loading equipments, you come across loaders, shovels, excavators. And if you come across the transportation equipment, the tippers will be available, dump truckers, scrapers and conveyors. You can find in the conveyors in aggregate crushing yard. Compact equipments will be tamping foot rollers, smooth wheeled rollers, pneumatic rollers, vibrating loaders, plate compactors. These you see many times in a road construction sites and all. Next, you have the different second classes like construction plant and equipments. Here you come across the production equipments like batching plants, concrete mixers. Then you have transport equipments like truck mixers, concrete dumper. Then you have a placing equipments like concrete pumps, conveyors, hoist, grouting equipment. Then you have the concrete vibrating equipments like needle vibrators, plate vibrators. Then you have a material hosting equipments like hosts like fixed mobile forklift. Then you have mobile cranes, crawler mounted, self propelled, rubber tied, truck mounted. Then you have tower cranes like stationary and traveling type. There are some special purpose heavy construction plants and equipments also available like aggregate production equipments, crushing plants, rock blasting equipment, screening plants will be available. In concrete paver equipments like you have concrete paver finishers. Then pile traveling equipments will be also there. Asphalt mix production placement equipment, tunneling equipment like driller jumbos, muck hauling equipments, rock bolters, tunnel boring machines. Clear? These are the different equipments which are going to be used in a civil construction sites. So according to these equipments, the cost of the projects, the time of the projects will vary. Okay. So next class we see how the equipment planning can be done. Thank you for the patience.